In this repair video, we're going to be working on an LG G6 that was mailed in from Tennessee. It has a bad dual SIM reader. I already disassembled the phone, and dual SIM reader is this piece right here. It's soldered onto many areas, the edges and also the center. A lot of pins in the center, more like a BGA chip. So let's go ahead and desolder the old one and solder back a new SIM reader. Now, if we look under the microscope, we can only see a portion of the SIM reader. I cannot get a full view of the whole thing because it's big. So what I think I want to do is use a Barlow lens, maybe a 0.75x Barlow lens. And this will allow us to see more on the board. I only use this when I'm dealing with big components and I want a clear view of the whole thing. And Barlow lens will also allow us to raise the microscope up and have more working distance. It's not practical to use a Barlow lens when dealing with tiny SMD components like the 1005201. You need to be zoomed in. But this one here is good, so we can get a clear view of the whole SIM reader. Look at this. I can see the whole thing under the microscope now. Before I put the Barlow lens on, I was only able to see maybe this portion of the SIM reader. It was zoomed in a lot. And even with the Barlow lens, we can still zoom in. So why not use a Barlow lens at all times? Because right now, the ring light is so far away from the board. We're not going to get good lighting. The closer we are to the object, the better the lighting is. So let's zoom out. And remove this SIM reader. We're gonna use about 450 degrees Celsius. And we're gonna go around the SIM reader in circles so we can heat everything up evenly from all sides. And look at how many pins the SIM reader has. It's a dual SIM reader. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you have the sides here and you have a lot of pins. So almost, we do not want to pull hard, we want everything to come off smoothly like that. And the SIM reader is out. One of the SIM reader pins fell off because it's damaged to begin with. Look at the pads, everything is intact. We have all those pads here. So when soldering a new SIM reader, we have to align everything and reflow the SIM reader down in place. It takes a lot of precision to do that because if you misalign any of the pins, then the SIM reader is not going to work. Just a little bit of flux so we can apply leaded solder. Okay, and all we have to do is apply solder on to the sides here. Get rid of the glare, and everything is perfect. Okay, so let's clean up and solder the new SIM reader. Okay, and here is the new SIM reader. And just like that. I'm gonna start at low airspeed so we do not disturb the SIM reader. I'm looking at the middle pins just to see if solder liquefied. Okay, solder liquefied. I'm gonna go higher on airspeed. Okay, so I pushed it down a bit. And we should be all good. Look at this. Solid. 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 Okay. Very nice. SIM reader is soldered on nicely. I mean, look at this. Look at the edges. Everything looks perfect. Solid. And let's take a look at this side. Very nice. I'm gonna wait for Big Boss to reassemble the phone and I'll be back. Big Boss assembled the motherboard back on the phone, but we have an issue. The SIM tray is damaged. There is a broken piece of the SIM tray. We're not gonna be able to test it. Look at this. Big Boss tried to fit a SIM card on here, but it's dangerous to put this tray inside the SIM reader. It may get stuck or it may damage the pins inside the reader. So we cannot use this. One problem is this SIM tray, the dual SIM tray, is not sold in the US. I was able to find 2 listings on eBay from Hong Kong. Look at this. So we have to order it from Hong Kong and wait for it to come. It may take 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. I do not know how long it will take to get the tray. Same thing with the dual SIM reader. We were lucky that we had a couple of them in stock, but dual SIM readers can only be purchased from Asia. So right now we're gonna let the customer know he can either order this SIM tray by himself, or we can order it for him and keep the phone here until we get the tray. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.